cooking with Nishraz and
Apple marshmallows.
which actually came out more like apple mousse.
What are we making tomorrow?
Apple marshmallows.
Yummy! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Can you show me your hands? Show me your excited hands.
Oh, yeah.
Ingredients.
Apples?
We used 9.
And what colour are they?
You only need 5 for marshmallows, but any apple will do.
Gelatin. Can you say gelatin?
Yeah, that's him. It's nice.
So we're just peeling the skin off first.
That's getting me.
That apple needs chopping in half first. Can you hold my hand and push down? I'm going to use the bridge and chop. Okay?
You need to chop the apples nice and fine so they're easier to stew. The smaller they are, the quicker they'll cook.
Yeah, let's look. Yeah, I did a good sharing. What's an apple in there? No, no way.
There are apples. Here, play.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Oh,
It's a good idea to tidy as you go, as Amara loves to wipe the table.
Oh, look how clean it is.
So you're going to add a splash of water to a pan, add your apples, and then you're going to cook them down on a medium heat until they're really soft, because you're going to blend them to make a smooth applesauce. The next job is to bloom the gelatin. So I've added about 50 ml of water, hot boiling water, to the gelatin, and then you whisk it until the crystals have
You
dissolved.
could be very careful. Mummy's going to do it because it's very hot.
Then you add the gelatin to the apples and blend it till it's super smooth.
So now we're going to put this in here and we're going to whisk it.
The whisking part takes ages, probably about 20 minutes. If you've got a KitchenAid, it's very helpful. You should be able to lift it over your head without it falling when it's done, almost like a meringue. Rubber duck for luck. Line a tray and pour your mixture into the tray. The greaseproof paper will just stop it from sticking and makes it easier to cut later. Smooth it out. We put ours in the fridge because it was quite loose. If you do the marshmallows, you won't need to set it in the fridge.
marshmallows.
Wow!
Cut this bit and the mine eat it.
Are you going to eat it?
Nope. Yeah, this.
You going to cut this bit?
You can cut this into sections, or you can put it into pots or ramekins as a proper mousse.
Marshmallows. Yeah, be back. No.
Look at that.
Is that awesome?
It's really good. Do you want to try it first? It's really yummy. Do you enjoy it? Oh, it's so nice. Is it good? No. It's really good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to catch new content.